The left and right functions are functions that we can use to retrieve a particular character from the right or left of a string expression. You can learn exactly how the left and right functions work by watching the video until the end. Two parameters are sent to the left and right functions. The first parameter is the string expression. The second parameter is the number of characters to be returned. The left or right function specifies whether the operation will be done from the right or left. Now let's see how they work by making an example in SQL Server. I've passed the turtle code string expression to the right function and how many characters to display from the right. The code string expression is displayed in the console when 4 characters are shown from the right. When 6 characters are shown from the right, after the letter E is shown. I sent the same string expression to the left function. I want 6 characters to be displayed from the left. Hence the string expression turtle is displayed. If I wanted to show 3 characters, only the string expression TUR would be displayed. A colon can be passed as a string parameter to the left or right function. Let's do an example. Let's create a table with columns first name, last name and country. I am adding a few records to the table. I am using the select command to see the data inside the table. My goal is to create another column and show the first 3 characters of the country column. I can do this using the left function. First, I send the country column to the left function. I only want the first 3 characters to appear. A new column is created when the select command runs. Only the first 3 characters in the country column are displayed. Thanks for watching. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.